All right, ready? All right. In the heart of Dallas, North Carolina, lies an emblem of dreams realized and dreams yet to be born. (136) Durkee Lane, a sprawling 9,000 square foot property with over 7 acres of history and potential. Once the site of a bustling brewery, its walls have echoed with the laughter of patrons and the clicking of glasses and the years of memories being made. An intimate bar, a stage set for unforgettable karaoke nights. The space has seen moments that last a lifetime. But beyond its past, 136 Durkee Lane whispers a promise of the future, a promise of possibilities, a promise of unmatched potential, a promise of turning a vision into reality. I want you to see that this could be a wedding venue, an artist retreat, a farm-to-table restaurant, or even a return to its beer-making roots. This canvas is vast and waiting for your vision. At 136 Durkee Lane, the past meets possibility. What is your vision?